Alright, so we're in the back, taking a look. Now, taking a look under the machine compartment. You could see here where the coolant line is going up into the refrigerator. And over here is the defrost drain tube. It comes and it discharges the water into the drain pan here, and then it gets evaporate. But the problem now is, see the tube there? What happened is this little rubber mullion, this little rubber boot they put. I'm gonna take you inside so you could see what's happening to it. Some of those on. Alright, so take a look at here so you could see. This is where the coolant line comes up, and you could see the little gap here. This is supposed to be down flush with it. So however they made it, it caused this to kind of pop up. And look at the defrost drain. You could see that here is water, and it cannot get to go down into the drain because the drain is up. Look at that. See, I just push it down with my finger. That's the problem. How they built this. Look, I'm gonna push that one down too. Look at that. See, it goes down. It's the way the manufacturer built it. It caused that grommet to pop up out of place, and it's preventing the water from going down the drain. So that's what the issue is. See, I pushed it down. This one was up, I pushed it down. The issue is how they build it. Whatever adhesive they use, whatever, was causing this to pop up and causing the water not to be able to go down into the drain. So now I push that back down, and it should start going down. But I have no doubt it's going to happen again. It's just due to the age of the fridge. And you know, it's falling apart a little bit. All right.